friends, Gurmeet Kaur here from MTC. Today we'll see the drafting of straight pants. So first of all, let's note down the measurements required for it. So as you can see on the screen, the measurements I've written over there. Length. Now from the length you have to minus 2 inches of belt height. Okay, so the total length 38 inch minus 2, that gives me 36 inch, which will be taken as length while drafting the pants pattern. Second is, so the next measurement is hip round, and then next waist round and thigh round. In thigh round I have added 2 inch allowance to it. Next comes the knee length. Knee length is like from the waist till the length of the knee. Okay, that is our knee length, and where you ended taking the measurement of knee length, from there take knee round. Don't take it exactly from the kneecap. Okay, a bit above the kneecap, and add 2 inch allowance to it. And last is the ankle round. Ankle round I have taken 16 inches over here. These are all the standard measurements. You can like add or subtract according to your measurements. And the last one is the belt height. Belt height is usually 2 inches, and that also you can do it 1 inch, but 2 inches best. Okay, and the fabric required is 2.25 meters. So now let's see the drafting. First we'll draw the length. Sorry, my voice is not proper, I'm not feeling well. So okay, so first of all we'll take the length plus 1 inches, means as already explained, you have to minus 2 inches from the length and then add 1 inch allowance to it and draw the line. So if the length is 38 minus 2 inches of belt and add, so that comes 36, so add 1 inch allowance to it, and so the length here will be drawing it as 37. Okay, now we will mark half inch point inside this line. Okay, half inch from here, mark it like this. Now we will take waist round divided by 4 plus 2 inches. Okay, yeah, first draw this waist round divided by 4 plus 2 inches. Now coming on the length side, we will take seat round divided by 4 and mark a point over there. Once again come half inch inside from this point and mark a point over there. Now from this point, half inch point, measure thigh round divided by 4. Okay, now as you know, I have added 2 inch allowance to the thigh round, so here you will be taking it 26 as your thigh round. Got it? So mark a point at the center divided by 4. Now from this point draw a straight vertical line, and this will be considered as our center line. All our measurements will be running half from here and half on that side. Okay, so we will be taking all the measurements now on this center line. Okay, now once again, yeah, complete the take 6 inches of thigh round divided by 4. So that finishes our this thigh round divided by 4 whole line. Okay, now from top come down for knee length, mark a point on this line, as well as you have to go to the center line and mark a point at the knee length. Okay, now from this knee length, you have to take knee round divided by 4 on one side and knee round divided by 4 on another side of this center line. Okay, so both, now this knee round divided by 4 is finished. Come down for ankle round. Ankle round once again, coming from the center, ankle round divided by 4 on this side and ankle round divided by 4 on another side of the line. So in short, what you have to do is take the measurements on both sides of the line. Okay, and hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, please don't forget to share, subscribe our channel. Okay, so now say once again, waist round divided by 4 plus 2, then seat round divided by 4, then the center, we are taking the center line, half measurement of thigh round divided by 4 this side, half on that side. Then once again come taking knee length, and then knee round divided by 4, knee round divided by 4, and lastly ankle round divided by 4 on both the sides. So this completes our basic drafting. Okay, now what you have to do is join all these lines. Okay, first of all we'll give the shape of our bumps on the top. Okay, So first let's complete the drawing. Wait. Yeah, see this half inch I told you, no? Yeah, first from that half inch what you have to do is mark the shape of our hips. Okay, so these are the shape of our hips, and then you join all the lines. Ideally you can take the Pant's scale is also coming, from that also you can give the shape, or you can give freehand your shape, but I don't have small scale of such round shape, so I gave by this simple scale. And please do share and subscribe our channel, and if you like, please share with your communities and friends. Okay, now this is the drafting of our front part of our pant. Okay, now what you have to do, from this point come inside for 2 inches. Okay, mark a point at 2 inch and join this 2 inch with upper part. Yes, like this. Yeah, now from this point take diagonally, you have to take 1 inches, and then we'll give the shape of our crotch. This is our crotch area. Give the shape either freehand or using your scale curves. Okay, whatever is comfortable you can go with it. So I've given the shape. So this basically completes my front part of our pant. Okay, as you can see. Yeah, now come this ankle round, come 2 inches down, and this 2 inches down will be allowance to fold the seam of our bottom. Now if you want a bigger seam, then you can take up to 3 inches also. Okay, in my future videos I'll be showing you such things also. Now this is back. Okay, now what we have to do is for back we will be coming 2 inches outside of this draft. Okay, from this crotch side, don't touch it from the bump side, we will be coming from the inner side. 2 inches extra from this thigh round, from knee round and ankle round. Okay, take 2 inches extra and then draw the line. Ankle round ki means whatever allowance you have taken, 2 inches extra from that also, and then join the lines. Okay, now for the back part what we will be doing is this, the highlighted black part is for front. Okay, as already explained. Now on the top where we took waist round divided by 4 plus 2 inches, at that only, from that, suppose the waist round divided by 4 plus 2 inches is coming 12 or say 11, then take half inch more than that. Okay, first of all take 1 inch above of this line. Vertically we have to go 1 inch above, and now from this line you will take waist round divided by 4 plus 2 inches and plus half inch more. So suppose your first it was coming 11 inches, then you have to take say 11.5 inches. Okay, a little bit more, not more, and draw a line, draw a slant line like this. Yes, and this line will be joining to the crotch of our front part. Okay, make sure you're joining it with the front crotch. Yeah, same way. Now once again take 1 inch diagonal, and what you'll be doing is giving the shape of the crotch. Yeah, give the shape either with the free hand, or you can also go by the French curve. So hope you have completely understood. If you are not if you are having any doubt, you can ping me in the comment box, or you can also visit our website for the detailed written post over it. Okay, so this finishes our back part. Also I'll be drawing it with different color so that you can see the difference between the front and back. Why we take front text, we have to take back extra, because the bump part, and we have to fill like while stitching, and when we wear it, it should be comfortable to us, you know. So we have drawn like we take 2 inches extra, and I'll be highlighting all the things and show you the end result, like the full draft of this pants. So now finally the drafting is over. Now you can see this image of the draft of statement drafting. Okay, so this image I'll be uploading it on my website also, so you can refer it over there. This is new updated image, because some people were having difficulties in deciphering the numbers. So now I've changed the fonts and the color of the numbers. Okay, now after this slide I'll be showing you the synopsis